Meet the two newest members of BLACK+DECKER's 20-volt max system of high-performance tools. Our new 1- and 2-speed drill drivers offer the same speed of prior models, but they're lighter and more compact. Easy to use and comfortable, a mid-handle design gives these drill drivers a balanced feel and great maneuverability. A keyless chuck makes bit changes quick and easy. An 11-position clutch helps to keep the screws from stripping, and an LED light helps to illuminate your workspace. These and a host of other convenient features make completing projects easy. Use the 1-speed model for common DIY tasks, or the 2-speed model for more demanding jobs. Either way, BLACK+DECKER's new 20-volt max drill drivers give you the speed you know in a compact design you'll love. Part of the 20-volt max system, works with your existing BLACK+DECKER 20-volt max power tools and outdoor equipment.
Porter Cable is proud to announce the launch of the next generation cordless platform powered by its new 20-volt max system. The cornerstone of the new 20-volt max lineup will be the drill driver. The end user will instantly notice the compact size and weight of the tool with its 7 3/4 inch length, 3.5 pounds weight, and a contoured overmolded grip. When the trigger is pulled, the motor delivers up to 330 unit watts out, and the 2-speed transmission delivers up to 400 RPM in low speed and up to 1600 RPM in high speed, completing applications 30% faster than our previous PCL 180 CD model when using a 7/8 inch wood boring bit through training lumber. In addition to its increased speed, the Porter Cable drill driver provides all the right features for setting up and using the tool. These include a metal ratcheting chuck, a battery fuel gauge, LED work light, 2 magnetic bit tip holders, belt clip, and rubber bumpers on the side of the tool. The new 20-volt max system is powered by a compact lithium-ion battery platform delivering 1.5 amp hours. Time is money, and Porter Cable delivers the speed, ergonomics, ease of use, and value demanded on any job site. So if you think that your tools should work just as fast as you, be small and light enough to carry around, and deliver the features that help you complete your job, try the new Porter Cable 20-volt max drill driver. We are confident you will be back for the entire system.
Introducing the next generation of XR professional power tools by DEWALT. The most compact, best performing brushless drills and impact drivers we've ever designed. The compact drill and impact driver feature optimized brushless motors for up to 30% faster application speeds. The compact drill has a brighter LED light that's up to 20 times brighter and can be used as a 20-minute task light in spotlight mode. The compact impact driver features precision drive torque control, engineered to help prevent stripped fasteners. This drill performs above its size and weight, capable of applications not possible with our last generation XR compact drill. And thanks to the Performance 2 next generation XR brushless motor, applications are performed up to 30% faster. Because when it comes to your workday, faster is better. Both powered by 20-volt max extreme runtime lithium-ion batteries, the DCD791, DCD796, and DCF887. With next-generation DEWALT XR brushless motors, designed to meet your needs, engineered to outperform, and built guaranteed tough by DEWALT.
The Ryobi 1+ HP brushless 4-mode 1/4 inch impact driver. 1+ HP technology provides up to 25% faster driving and up to 2,200 inch-pounds of torque. 4-mode speed control with assist mode lets the user choose the speed setting best suited for the job. And the one-handed bit release makes switching bits fast and simple. Equipped with a durable die-cast gear case for the most demanding applications and an onboard LED work light for enhanced visibility. The Ryobi 1+ HP brushless 4-mode 1/4 inch impact driver, part of the 1+ system, exclusively at the Home Depot.
Power and versatility in a compact size. The 18-volt LXT Lithium-Ion Brushless half-inch driver drill and hammer driver drill.
Been a carpenter for 33 years now. You can see we had 5 inches of snow last night. We had plenty of power to go through all 5 2x4s at one time. What I like about the drill that I use is very compact, easy to use, and no fatigue whatsoever in my wrist, and that's a big deal.
It's very important considering how many holes you're going to be drilling a day. You're going to want something that's easy to use and something that's light. These are window headers, and we put them up and they have to be pre-drilled so that when the guys go up to put them up, they can just put the bolts in and go. So on a daily basis, we have to mark exactly where the holes are going to be drilled, and I put my half-inch unibit on, and then I get my slick stick and I grease up my half-inch unibit, and I proceed to drill about 1,000 holes a day.
Oh, the size of the drill really makes it better. It gets into tight spaces a lot easier than the older models.
The weights, the brushless, just amazing. It's working great. Just drilled 15 holes, took no time at all.
Both drills are equipped with star protection, communication technology between the tool and battery that protects against overload, over discharge, and overheating. They're compatible with Makita 18-volt lithium-ion batteries with the fastest charge times in their categories. Makita lithium-ion tools, batteries, and chargers are backed by a 3-year limited warranty.
Higher amp is better. 5 amp, you can go twice as long as a smaller battery, worth every dime.
They're part of the Makita 18-volt series, the world's largest 18-volt lithium-ion cordless tool lineup. One LXT system compatible with over 150 solutions.
Yeah, I would definitely recommend this drill to anybody that's looking for a new drill.
Absolutely cordless. Anytime you could get rid of the cord and be more mobile, you're saving money and time.
Well, the M12 fuel drill is very compact, very lightweight, very easy to use. There's plenty of power, plenty of torque. It can do almost every job.
Milwaukee fuel drill is more powerful than the other drills that I've used in the past. For somebody that uses a lot of power tools, you can hear that the motor is a higher quality. I like how it's got the half-inch chuck, so if you need to put a bigger drill bit on it, you can. It's got a hammer feature on it, which is nice because a lot of the other drills don't have that option either. And the interchangeable battery sizes is nice too.
It's nice to have something nice and light, very easy, and lighter's better.
Nice and light too when you gotta put them in your pouch and wear them, walk around all day long with them on.
I like the lightweight and it's compact. You can get into tight spaces. It's much easier to maneuver. It's actually impressive that how small it is and how much power it has behind it.
When we get into tight spaces, it's really nice to have the smaller drill.
You can get in any small space you want. Powerful and does a great job. There's plenty of power for our everyday use with the M12 fuel.
They are heavy duty, they are durable, long lasting, and appropriate for the job.
It's a perfect tool.